Hey guys, Twisted Auto Garage here, another video. Today we're going to look at some older footage of when I replaced the tailgate handle on my truck. We went up to North Carolina and I put a go-kart in there that had no means of being in there. And once I shut the tailgate, it relieved stress in 2 locations. It put a little dent there, and it also broke the tailgate handle off. And it snapped the bolts. There's 3 bolts that hold that in, and it was a pain in the butt. So I'm gonna show you today how to go ahead and replace your own tailgate handle. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to take a look at is whenever the previous handle was in here, it is connected by 2 rods. Many people, whenever their handles break, they just don't replace it and they just pull these 2 rods together to open up the tailgate. And that's what we've been doing for just for a little bit until the new handle came in. But anyway, when you're uninstalling, depending on how damaged yours was, you'll just have to basically work your hands around there to unplug this rod. And there's 3 bolts in the back, but mine actually broke off as well. I had to go to the junkyard and find 3 more bolts to fit in there. So anyway, back to the uninstalling. Now different people have different situations when it comes to their bed. When I bought this truck, it already had this kind of bed guard in it. Some will have, you know, Line-X or something like that in there. All fine, but you just have to make sure you get to all 3 bolts back here. One's already exposed here, but the other 2 are behind the plastic. So on mine, it's just Phillips heads holding the whole thing in. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so this is where you would normally undo your bolts. Unfortunately mine broke off. But to get these off, you can either put an Allen wrench in there, or you can use a T40 bit to get them off with a ratchet or impact gun. I'm just using impact gun just to be simple. Anyway, this is all metal. You'll see on Silverados and things like that, theirs are always broken because their handles are usually plastic. But this one's all metal and should last a really long time as long as I don't overload the bed. And then this piece is the plastic piece that was broken off into little bits. And this will just kind of snap in there as soon as we get the handle installed. So let's get into that. Alright guys, so I'm switching cameras from the GoPro to my other camera just so you can get a better look inside. I'm trying. But anyway, you may be able to see right there that there is a, there's one connection there, and then there's one on top. One on top is that side, one on bottom is that side. And a little trick, so you don't have to take it all apart, is, because this is what they look like inside. You'll want to go ahead and slide the end into here, and then get you a flat head, and then pop the, because all this does is just help make sure the rod doesn't, you know, fall out. But anyway, and then as soon as you get done, you want to test it, make sure that your plastic clips aren't letting the rod slip out, so you want to go ahead and set it down. And then if you want to oil it up, I wanted to go ahead and do that because since the truck's so old, you can undo these, and you can basically just remove your tailgate, and you'll see where the rusty parts are that it's just been sitting there going up and down. And this is a 2000 truck, so he's had, you know, 18 years to wear the factory grease away. And if you go ahead and take this out, you'll see the spring inside of here, which controls that moving back and forth, which unlocks your tailgate. But anyway, we'll go ahead and jump back on the GoPro, and I'll reassemble it. And this is your now this is plastic, like I said earlier, so this may break eventually. But 18 years off the first one, I think. If this one lasts me 18 years, I think we'll be fine.
Alright guys, so there's our handle, and let's put the piece of resistance on there. So it just clips in up top and bottom, so all you gotta do is, and then there we go. Let's test it out and make sure it works. Gotta put that guy back, but there you go. Anyway, 1,000 times better than where we were at with this old guy. I mean, wow. So anyway, if you guys enjoy this truck and you want to see me work on it a little bit more, consider liking the video, or even better, subscribing. So I'll catch you guys next time.